Welcome to our classes. We are going to solve slip number 26. The program is write a VB program to create menus of MS Word and display it onto the form. First of all, we will see how the MS Word will look like. Here is the MS Word. The menus are File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailing, Review and View. These are the menus in MS Word. In our application, in our VB application, we have to create these menus by coding. We can create the menus by a graphical user interface, but the program is to write a program. Means we have to write a code for that. First of all, we will see how it is possible to write a code to create a menu. We can create a menu in graphical user interface like this. Menu editor. We can give here a name, caption, suppose caption ampersand file. Ampersand is used to make F as a hotkey. Name is suppose a menu file. We will not going to give the index because we don't want to create an array. Okay. Now next, suppose ampersand ampersand home, menu home. Menu. This is a name. This is a caption. Don't want to give index here because if we want to create a dynamic menu, means we want to create a runtime menu, then we can use the index here, so that the menu home index 0, menu home index 1, menu home index 2 controls will be created over here. But right now we are creating the controls in graphical user interface, so that's why we can make index field empty. Okay, so in this way we have created two controls, file and home. We run this form. See here, F and H are the hotkeys for the controls. This is one control, this is second control, similar to our file and home. But we don't want to create those controls using this editor. We want to create these controls using code, by writing codes. That's why we will delete these and we will make the code and we will write a code for that. First of all, we have to create a control which will be the control array for the menus. First of all, we'll write a name for that. The caption will be empty because we don't want to display that control. That is the control which we have created over here will not be displayed here. So the caption property of that control is null. Name of the control, suppose we will take a menu. We will take a menu as an control array. So a menu has index 0 and it is visible and enabled. Okay. Our menu bar is created. Right. Menu bar is created. Our dynamic controls will be added to here. Here is the default control that we have made earlier. Our caption property of that control is set to null. That's why it's not displaying here. Right. Now we have to program for the controls to create. Right. So when form loads, the control will get generated. For that we have to declare the variable to travel a loop. Suppose user want to create a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 controls, then our for loop will be traveled from 1 to 8. That's why dim I as integer for traveling a loop. Now for I equal to 1 to 8, I'm going to load MNUI to this menu bar, right? Okay, and after loading that control, I have to name that caption equal to, I will take it from the user using input box, or you can set names in this way, a menu or a menu I, J, etc. You can set in this way also. We'll check whether it is working or not next. Okay. Method data member not found. Menu dot caption. Okay, a menu I dot caption. Okay. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are the controls that we have created using this code. But we don't want these names to these captions to the controls. So that's why we will take it from the user. We provide input box to the user, enter name of control, right? Okay, the user will prompt it for the name to the user. Now when we create a control using this, the control by default is visible and it is enabled by default, so there is no need to enable or disable. If you want to disable, then you can make a menu I dot enable equals to false, or a menu I dot visible equals to false if you want. But now we don't want to make invisible or disable controls. That's why we are not going to set any property here. So we will run this program and let's see what happens. Enter name of control. This control is first control, so our first control is file. If you want to make a F as a hotkey, then you can place ampersand here. Now home, ampersand home. Our H will be a hotkey for home. Next control is insert. Page layout, references, mailings. Page layout, references, mailing, weave, review, yeah. Our application has been run successfully. The controls file, home, insert. See our hotkeys. All controls we have placed here. These all are the buttons, right? So this is our sleep number 26. Successfully we have created successfully controls or a form using codes. Right. Thank you for watching.